Stop trying to buy real estate and do this instead. That's right. Ken Van Liew here, real estate expert, but I want to tell you something about buying real estate and investing in real estate and giving opportunities to others, and that's the key. So I want you to stop thinking about buying real estate and think about investing in real estate. Think about structuring real estate investments. Think about creating an investment portfolio. Think about passive income. What are the steps to get there? That's right. What are the steps? See, it's all about the question. If you're asking yourself the question, how do I buy real estate? You're going to start thinking about deposit, mortgage. You're not going to think about how do I invest in real estate? How do I build a portfolio? How do I build opportunities for others that attract investment money? So you have to stop thinking about buying real estate and do this. Think about investing in real estate. Think about investing in real estate for your future. Don't be afraid. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let the fear of success stop you. You have to get involved in real estate. Real estate is playing the odds. 9 out of 10 millionaires are millionaires through real estate. That's the reason why you want to get in real estate. But you have to have the right approach. Even if you're buying real estate for your own personal home, it's an investment. It's how you view it. Change your view, change your life. Change your words, change your emotions. And that is the key. Stop thinking about buying real estate and start investing in real estate, and you will find out the truth about your future, which will be success. Now, the key in learning about real estate is investing in yourself, investing in your self-mastery. And the best way to do that is go out there and look at the modern wealth building formula on how to master real estate investing, and it will show you how to find, fund, and facilitate real estate investing. And that's what you want to learn. If you want to accelerate it, buy this book, take action, or come to kenvanliew.com and look at, we have some free gifts for you that you can get today. Get some golden nuggets at kenvanliew.com and start your real estate investing career today. Make it a great day.